Hey everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Property Management, and I'm excited to show you a new home that we have up for rent. The address is 419 Cruz Street in Winston Salem. We'll begin by giving you a quick shot of our neighborhood. So Cruz Street is near Reedsville Road and Salem Parkway. It's also convenient to Highway 52. So coming in the front door, see this has a nice open layout. This is your living area. Opens to the kitchen and dining area. Cathedral ceiling. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Another shot at the living area here. Okay, so when you come into the front door, to your right is the guest bath. That's granite countertops there as well. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. This is a luxury vinyl plank through the living area. Washer and dryer connections are in there. This is a pantry. Straight ahead, that goes out the back door. This is a coat closet. Second bedroom. And this is the master. Nice size bedroom. Has a large walk-in closet. This is the bathroom. Granite countertop, vinyl plank. Now going out the back door. Got a small covered area here. And a fenced-in backyard. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Property Management. If you'd like to see this home in person, you can visit our website at rentwinston.com. You can call our office at 336-939-6275 or email us at info@srealtynow.com.